how to set a song as your ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy. So if you want to go and add your own custom music or sound to your ringtone, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, the very first step is we just need to go and open up the settings on your Samsung. You can then scroll down and click on Sounds and Vibration. Now click on Ringtone. You can then click on the plus icon in the top right hand side of the page, and this is where we can go and upload and pick our own custom song. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we actually have the song downloaded on our phone. If you haven't already done this, you can just open up an internet browser and you can go and use any online website to download your music. So I'm just going to be using this website here, pixabay.com, and this is a way to download royalty-free songs. So once you're on this website, I'm just going to select music from the list of categories, and you'll see there's a bunch of different songs here. Once you've found a song that you want to use, click on the download icon next to it, and then just click on the download button. Now once it's been downloaded, open back up that settings page, and as you can see, it will automatically appear in this list. Now, if you still can't find it, then just click on folders in the bottom right hand side. You could then click on either music or download, and you should be able to find it from here. Once you have your song selected, click on done. And that's how to set your own custom song as a ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy.